Good morning. Thank you for calling Golden Peak Hotel. This is Michelle speaking. How may I help you today?
Good morning. I would like to make a room reservation for 2 persons, please.
Certainly. May I have your full name to proceed with the booking, please?
Yes, my name is Rowena Cantila.
Could you spell your full name, please?
Sure. ROWENACANTILA.
Thank you for that information, Miss Rowena. May I know which date you would like to make a reservation?
I'm planning to visit Cebu on 23 until 25 of March. Do you have any vacancies?
Yes, we have several rooms available for that particular days. May I know what type of room, Miss Cantila, you would like to stay?
Do you have any standard room?
I'm sorry to inform you, Miss Cantela, but all standard rooms have been booked on the 23rd of March. How about deluxe rooms instead? We can transfer you once there is availability.
Okay, that is fine.
Perhaps you didn't know that we have new room rates. Do you find acceptable, Miss Rowena?
Please tell me the price so I can make a decision.
For a deluxe room, we have at a rate 5,989 per night. This includes complimentary breakfast, Wi-Fi access, and full access to our pool and fitness center.
That's a reasonable price. That sounds wonderful.
Now, as for the room, Miss Rowena, do you prefer smoking or non-smoking?
I would prefer non-smoking because I can handle that smoking.
Non-smoking. Now, is our queen-size bed is okay?
A queen size sounds great.
Do you have any room location preferences such as higher floor, a room near the elevator, or a specific view?
A high floor room with a city view would be ideal.
Noted. We will do our best to accommodate your request. Would you like to confirm your reservation, Miss Cantela?
Yes, I would like to confirm a reservation.
Can I have the name of the person who will be staying, Miss Cantela?
Miss Cantila and Miss Hannah Strillo.
Your reservation is now verified. May I have your phone number and email, please?
Yes, of course. My contact number is 09-123-456789 and my email address is rowena@email.com.
Thank you, Miss Cantela. May I ask how would you like to settle the payment?
Payment via card.
Now, I need your credit card information to receive the room for you.
Visa the number is 8765433.
And what is the name of card holder?
Rowena Cantila.
Alright, Miss Cantela, your reservation has been made for the 23rd until 25th of March for a deluxe room with a queen-size bed and of course, a high-floor room with a city view. Your bill will be settled via BESA amounting of 11,978, check-in 3 o'clock. Your phone number is 09-1234-56789 and the email is rowena@email.com. Is that correct, Ms. Cantela?
Yes, that's all correct.
We wish to inform you about our 7 o'clock policy. Please be advised that you have to check in no later than 7 p.m. Otherwise, the hotel reserves the right to give the room a waistline listed clients.
Okay, thank you for informing me.
It is my pleasure, Miss Cantela. Is there anything else I can assist you with today?
No, that will be all. Thank you.
You are most welcome. We look forward to welcoming you to Golden Peak Hotel. Have a wonderful day.